My name's Lisa, and I am the herbs and teas specialist here at Merz Apothecary, also affectionately known as the Tea Lady. This is my department. This is where all the magic happens. Upstairs from Merz Apothecary, which is a 148-year-old business here in Lincoln Square. I do buying and packaging and stocking of all the herbs and teas here. When I'm not doing those things, then I get to research and experiment with making blends and truly making the magic. Tea is one of those things it's an experience. It's not just something you take, it's something you do. I like to say that the herbs chose me. Merz was hiring for this position, which was really just packaging herbs and teas. I thought to myself, the mothership is calling me home. I didn't know a whole lot. I use herbs, I drank tea, but as I was doing it, I just got more and more into it and fascinated and started studying. And here we are.